Very good morning to one and all. So today we will be going to discuss about the new topic, which is nothing but this introduction to OSquery and its role in cybersecurity system. So what is in the OSquery? It is an open source endpoint monitoring tool developed by this that famous industry, Facebook. So it turn your operating system into a high performance relational databases. The major functionality in this OS query is we can able to use the SQL query to retrieve detailed information from the operating system, which including this processes, users, and then network activities. Works across the multiple platform. This OS query can be work across the multiple platform such as the Windows, Mac OS, Linux. How it will be work? That will be what that two way we can able to define the OS query working principle. One is the conceptual overview, and then the major core component which is begin in this that OS query. So in the under this conceptual overview, OS query expose an operating system as a series of table representing the system data. System information is queried using this standard SQL commands. So it also operate in real time, providing the continuous visibility into the system activities. So the two core component under this OS query is OS query I and then OS query D. The OS query I, which is used for a real-time exploration and system monitoring. Then OS query D, it's run in the background for the continuous monitoring and then logging. The major roles of this OS query in cybersecurity is system monitoring, incident response, threat detections. First, what is the meaning or what is the roles in the system monitoring? It's mainly track and audit the operating system activities. So it also monitor the file integrities, user logins attempts, and process executions. So next one is that incidents response. It mainly helps security term investigate suspicious behavior by providing the detailed system data. Also, it's enabled the rapid detection of unauthorized changes to critical files or configurations. Third one is that threat detection. Identify the anomalies such as the unexpected processes, network connection, and user activities. Flags potential malware or unauthorized software installation also it can able to what that detect. The major key features of this OS query, it can work in the cross-platform functionality. All the query is based on the SQL component only. Real-time monitoring, file integrity monitoring. When I say the cross-platform, as I said in this earlier, it can be work with the Linux, Mac OS, Windows by providing the uniform system insight across this different environment. It uses SQL for flexibility and familiarity, and then in this real-time monitoring, it provides real-time insight into the system processes and user activities. When I say file integrity monitoring, it mainly watches the changes in critical files or directories to detect potential tampering. Let me tell you some of the use cases of this OS query in cybersecurity. Endpoint monitoring system, compliance auditing, threat hunting, and then vulnerability detections. First one, endpoint monitoring system. So it mainly monitored the endpoints for the unauthorized access, file damages, and the process activities. Also, in this auditing, it mainly ensured the comply with the security policies by regularity checking, configuration, and software integrity. Next, it allow proactive searching for security threats using the detailed system logs and real-time queries. Under the vulnerability detections, it also identifies this outdated vulnerable software that needs patching. The major advantages of this OS query is it is a open source, having the customizability, low performance overhead, activity, community, active community and supports. So it's free to use and easily extendable by the security community. It allows the security professional to create custom queries tailored to this organization needs. It has a lightweight and a non-intrusive with a minimal impact of system performance. Continuous update and then improvement from this open source community. It's a major advantages of this OSquery. The major challenges is query complexity, no built-in altering resource management. Under the query complexity, crafting the advanced SQL query may require the additional skills and or experiences. So under this that no built-in alerting, it does not native support alerting or visualization. It's need to be paired with the SME tools for complete monitoring solution. That resource management is a lightweight, large-scale deployment and monitoring can require the careful resource management. So integrating with this other tool, we have what that SIEM integration, incident response platform. OSquery can be integrated with the security information and even management system like a Splunk and ELK stack to analyze and visualize the logs of this the particular system. So it can combined with this incident response tool to automate investigation and provide the system insights. So that's all about this that OS query in the cybersecurity system. Thank you. We will be seeing this what that next lectures.